Hi everyone, in this video I'm recreating ayeza makeup look from drama Mein. First I'm using Miss Rose face primer. This primer can be used on any skin type. This primer is silicone based primer. It feels silky on the face and gives you a flawless surface for foundation. Next I'm going to apply foundation, and for that I'm using Miss Rose Silk Flawless Foundation in shade 04. As you know, I used this foundation before. This is my perfect match. This foundation gives you medium coverage and look flawless. I am starting from my jawline and spreading upwards. I love this technique because this gives you a natural finish. Now for my concealer, I am using e.l.f. Camo Concealer in shade medium beige. This concealer is my favorite concealer because it gives you good coverage and look flawless. For blending, I am using Beauty Blender to blend it out. Next, to highlight my cheekbones, I am using e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter and I am just applying on my cheekbones. I really like this e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter. It provides you a natural glow. Next, I am going to set my face, and for that I am using Beautify by Amna Radiant Powder. And with the help of brush, I am going to apply this under my eyes and going to set my foundation. For rosiness on the cheeks, I am using this palette from Beenish. I am using these two shades. Okay, for brows, I'm going to define my brows with Miss Rose Brow Pencil. I'm just going to naturally fill my brows. For the eyes, her eyeshadows are not intense like eyeliner. So for that, I'm using Miss Rose eyeshadow palette in shade 05. I'm using brown shadow in my crease and blend it out. Also, I'm going to apply same eyeshadow on my lower lash line. For liner, I'm using Miss Rose Gold Liner. And I'm just going to apply thick kind of winged eyeliner. I'm just going to apply mascara, and for that I'm using Miss Rose Gold Mascara. Also, I just applied natural looking lashes. Now for the lipstick, her lipstick in the picture looks nude kind of pink shade. For that, I'm using these two shades from one from NYX Cosmetic and one from Fluent and Flutter by Reem. NYX shade is Sakura Spring and Fluent and Flutter by Reem shade is, I think, Nothing But Nude. Now I'm just going to apply these lipsticks on my lips and I'm going to blend it out with my finger. Now you guys can see this is a perfect nude pink kind of shade. So here is the completed look. I truly enjoyed recreating this look for you guys. Hope you liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, Allah Hafiz.